everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at Google Drawings. Google Drawings is a web-based diagramming software that allows you to collaborate with others and create things like flowcharts, concept maps, and other diagrams. It also will allow you to edit pictures and crop images, add borders, and other formatting features. So today I just want to show you a little bit about how to use Google Drawings and how to embed them in other Google products such as Docs. So I'm going to actually go to my teacher information booklet from this school year and copy our school logo into a drawing. I have done several things with Google Drawings, but I find it most helpful when I'm actually able to edit pictures using drawings. I do not have Photoshop, so Google Drawings can actually do some of the features of Photoshop if I need it to crop things to get my file sizes just right. So for example, in Google Drawings, you have this white sheet, and the sheet kind of determines what your size of the file will be. So for example, I can choose to make my logo bigger and fit on the sheet. Then from there, I can choose to center it. And this whole thing is going to end up being my picture. Another option with drawings is to actually change the size of your sheet behind it there. So now, even though my logo looks bigger because it's blown up that piece, all I'm seeing is a small portion, so the file size is actually smaller. This works great for me when I'm building websites and things. I can scale down the pictures to get them just the perfect size. So if I want to use my drawing in another product, what I would need to do is to go to the Edit button and copy this whole drawing to the web clipboard. Once I open my Google Doc, I can actually paste that entire drawing into my doc. Now, this doesn't look as neat because you're seeing this as just my logo. However, when I'm working in drawings, I can actually then edit my pictures. So I'm going to choose to make this a little bit bigger and then do this as if I might be a student. So maybe I want to tell my students to tell me about the picture that they've chosen. So I'm going to use some of the drawing features to kind of turn this into like a mind map of sorts, such as using it to tell about my picture. So my school logo is the trident. We are the Blue Devils, and so I want to talk about why we use this for our logo. So I'm going to insert a text box and just draw all that over here. And so I'm going to say our school logo is the trident because, and then the students can tell me about that. So now I'm ready to save this whole thing. And that's what's really great about Google Drawings is I can choose to save it like I did to the web clipboard, or I can even download it as a PDF, JPEG, PNG, or scalable vector graphic. So it's going to save my entire mind map as one piece, one picture. So now I'm going to choose to copy the shape to the clipboard again, and then paste this drawing. Oops. There we go. Let me copy the whole thing, copy entire drawing to web clipboard. And then now I can paste this whole drawing with the arrow and everything. So now I have pasted my entire mind map to my document. So that's a great learning curve as well. You saw me the first time. I was still selected. I had still had my cursor inside the text box. And so it only chose for me to save the text box. So once I'm clicked out, then I can save that whole picture. So now you can see why this is such a great tool for mind maps and things. You can also download it as a JPEG and then choose to insert it as an image. So either one of those ways will work in order for you to get your work from drawings into docs, slides, etc. So Google Drawings has some great things for it. We do not use it as much as we could or as we should, but there is a lot of potential here to allow students to collaborate and create. And then you can even flip classroom with Google Drawings while they make their own mind maps. So like I said, lots of good things with Google Drawings. If you have any questions, please let me know. I think you'll find a lot of great uses for this tool.